okay, that's not bad.
Mga shoes. Shoes lang ba to? Ah, dito mo na dapat lagay yung mga bag.
Mamaya na, pupunong pa yan.
Kulin, patay mo yung ilaw sa CR. Sayang kuryente. Kulin. Ayan, malalaki yata.
Makita lang.
Ayan, pag di mo sinabi ko ilan.
Di ba sinabi ko na sa'yo?
I like it. It's like a branch. So you're making a ladder for your cat. Because cats like to climb. Yeah. This is my dad, my mom, and this is my sister. I actually have a sister.
Ay ba?
And this is me. So cute. And then she's
Grabe, sinusuot pa ito ng ganito.
colors for a star.
Ang iksi ng tuda, kita na yung ano dito.
Stars all over the pool. Stars are beautiful.
Subukan mo suotin yan. Sindihan mo yung quick mo.
Herbal, walang nakalagay na herbal.
Wow, your work looks awesome.
13.
Thanks, Callie. What are you gonna write? I'm gonna
O, ito, suotin mo.
R. What's R? Meow. Meowsome. You are Meowsome. If the cat is saying
Bata.
Meowsome.
Okay, kids, show me your stone art. Here we go. Okay.
Miss Kay, who wins the challenge?
To be fair, I will let you want to decide. Your Instagram follower will decide. So, Bob, take a picture of your work. We will post in your Instagram page. Whoever get the most votes wins.
Ang sleeve ng bata. Sarili ko ni ano.
On my
Fernando
Instagram
po.
story.
Kay Fernando po kaya.
What's the prize of the winner?
This is our
Yung 50 daw. Hindi yung gift to Tita Alma. She told us I know.
Binigay ko na kahapon sa kamay niya. Ang atin niya.
And I said she didn't.
Kahapon lang kasi. Ano na yung tabi?
Tomorrow pa.
Bakit tumuro ka?
Hindi na pa, just. You have to make outfit ka.
Instagram page.
Ano nangyari sa paa mo, Nicole?
Nandyan.
They don't seem to
Ano
like
kaya?
Callie, you
Ano
want
yan? Tanggalin
Ba't
nga.
namaga?
No, it's small lang.
Tignan ka, ano yan? Tanggal mo. Huwag mo
It's small lang nga.
Tanggal mo. Huwag mo lagyan ng band-aid kasi lalong tatagal kung ano na magpag-band-aid.
so cute. Please, Callie.
Pulot ka.
Basta! Thanks, I love you once challenge. You're
Maan naman yan.
I fell down na.
And I love your Pinky Branch too.
Okay?
Oh, we're dancing.
Miss Kay, what's my prize?
Hindi ka pa diba? Sukat mo lang.
Yeah, no.
Sukat mo lang. Sukat mo lang.
Seriously?
These are special
Ano ka ba?
rocks called geodes. This is rare.
Kita ron.
When you crack them open, you will find beautiful crystal inside.
Okay, thanks, Callie. I'm ready to open my key. Don't forget to ask our grown-ups how.
Mga ba?
Oo.
Masagala ka uli.
They will shorten it nga. That's why they didn't get it today.
Maganda ba yan? Bakit sa'yo yan? Paano na dito sa ano? Pantalon.
Yung ano, dito lang natin. Yung long sleeve yan.
Anyway, ito ko ng
Oo, tanggalin mo to. Ano ba yan? Bakit nalagay pa sa ano ko?
Hindi kasya sa'yo yan, pang baby naman yan. Hindi na kasya sa'yo, pang baby nga yan. Pwede mo ko na yung coloring pan.
What a beautiful crystal.
Wala yung pant. Wala yung pant
Pang
yan.
baby, no? Pang pan ko eh.
Look at how they sparkle.
Ito yung lalagyan kids eh.
Keep it. We have
Oh,
so
pink
many
na
things
pink,
to bring
oh.
home your artwork and your crystal. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like our video.
Ano na yan? Hindi na kasya sa'yo.
Bye.
Ito no?
Okay, she's asleep.
What do you want to watch tonight, Ben?
Do you watch TV often when you're asleep?
Rory, not again. Come on, back to bed.
I don't want to go to bed.
Too bad, kid.
But why do we have to sleep? Why can't we just stay awake all night?
Because that's the way the world is.
Well, I'm going to make it so that's not how the world is.
That might be tricky. People like to sleep.
Well, I'll take everyone's bed to the dump.
Probably to sleep on the couch.
Well, I'll take the couches to the dump too.
Oh, sounds like a big job. You need a full night's sleep for that.
Yeah, well, night. Hey, wait, no.
Come on, I'll read you a story.
You know she can't help it.
I know. Can you help me?
Oh, yeah, I've got an idea.
Wait, is it a bad idea?
Mom, are you grumpy with me?
Hindi ka ba lalaki na ha?
I'm okay. Come on. Once upon a time, there was a village.
Are you sure you're not grumpy?
Oh, I just want you to go to sleep. And in the village...
Unicorns!
Not unicorns. This episode of Bluey, unfortunately, is called Unicorns.
Watch out, what's on? What are we reading?
Well, it's a story.
Here, read this. It's got a unicorn in it.
I'm not reading that.
Fine, I'll read it. Once upon a time. I wish I could read.
Unicorns. Bluey's finding it hard to get to sleep.
Ano
so
ata
I'm
pa eh,
trying to
ano?
calm things down a bit.
Like jacket?
It's gonna be hard to bear around.
Ano yan? Tingnan mo.
Bluey's asleep.
I don't care.
I do. So how about you and your little mate jump on?
I got nowhere.
Trust me. Hey, kill it.
Oh, I'm sorry, silly.
Chilly.
Billy, yeah, that's what I said.
Oh, Mom, please, can unicorns stay?
Bluey, he's the most annoying unicorn in the world.
Guilty.
But I can turn him into a nice unicorn. I promise I can. Right, unicorns?
Nah.
Don't listen. Please, can you stay?
Fine. But we're reading this book, not yours. Once upon a time, there was a village, and in the village, everyone walked around barefoot.
Oh, I can't see the page.
Why should I care?
If you love the book, I'll come with the story.
Why should I care?
The story's nice.
My story's nice. Yeah, unicorn in it. This one has 0 unicorn. And the ending's boring. She just makes shoot.
Don't spoil the ending.
Why not?
Bluey hasn't heard it.
Where'd you get?
Unicorns, I'm trying to make you a nice unicorn.
Okay.
Oh, ito sa kanila yun.
Where she makes shoes.
One day, the Queen decided to get off her litter and have a walk around.
Changed my mind. No way. Changed it again. Actually, I will. Not today. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Yeah.
That is bad behavior. What? So is that?
Shall we continue?
Yes.
So the Queen walked a few steps and stood on a prickle. Ouch!
Of course, that's me. How would you feel if you stood on the prickle?
I feel good. I feel so good at dance.
You wouldn't dance if you tried. I'm the queen.
But maybe she should wear some shoes.
You're always
Anyway, the Queen discovered that her whole kingdom was covered in prickles. What was she to do?
Make shoes.
Louie!
Oh, I know. You, of course. It's your favorite food.
Children.
Oh,
Just kidding. Chicken bucket.
oh, right. Look. It's a chicken bucket.
Oh, thank you, my darling.
Okay, we're good to go.
So the Queen had an idea. She would cover the whole kingdom in leather. That way, no one will ever stand on the prickles again. So she got to work. All day and night, the Queen worked, covering her whole kingdom in leather.
Puro kasuot eh.
Chew with your mouth shut.
I can chew with my mouth shut. Of course I can.
Thank you. The Queen just... That's it, I'm out.
Catch you on the flip side. Way.
I'm done with her.
You can handle this, Mom. Oh, careful.
Oh, what's that? Right there. What's that cat right there?
I
Pwede
didn't
ka
handle
gamitin
this
pag ano eh.
shoulder.
Whiplash. Whiplash.
Hawa ka lang namin.
Hallelujah. Oh.
Look, Louie, put on your try. You can't change methods.
I think you're right.
I'm not sure you can change anything.
What can we change?
Well, we can
Huwag
stop
naman.
it.
Ako ako sa mga.
Yes. Maybe we ignore it.
Alis ka dyan, Kulin.
Let's give it a go.
Saan yung ano, Ano to?
Queen just couldn't do any more. He was too tired. Here he comes.
Ako
Remember?
nga, matulog.
Are you really?
I'm chilly here, Mom.
Oh, yes, sorry. Then the jester said to the Queen, Your Majesty,
Pagpasok mo yan, doon para hindi magka...
just cover your feet.
Stop that reading. This is a very serious matter. One of you could really jump my climb.
Halos po itong bata na.
So the Queen cut the walls of leather and made them into
Bata yun ah.
Right.
Ito malalaki. Ito pang bata.
Ayun, kulay puti, itong bata yun.
anywhere they wanted.
Ang bata malaki nga.
Perfect.
Stop reading. Beautiful. Let me handle it. Yeah, watch it, mate. I'll have to get a little funky. Okay, now you're right.
Ang mansion ni White Lady.
Oh, I like it.
Ano ba yun?
Yeah, I'm tired.
Get it now, mate.
Done.
Funky, okay with me?
Oh, you know what we're going on right now, honey?
Oh, why not?
Well, I just don't feel like playing right now.
So?
Bingo.
What? I think that. Do you want to play, Louie? Yeah. Great. Nice that you want to play with me. You know there is a way you can make people play with you. Really? How? You use magic. Magic? Yeah, you can use it to make people do anything. I'm told. Oh, show me. Okay, turn around. Watch. I can make your tail grow this way. Oh, bingo. Pretend my hand controls your tail. Oh, okay. I can make it go this way. Wow! This way. And whack. Look at this. And it's not just tails. I can do this. Look. Teach me. I'm sure. I guess Mum won't mind. This episode of Louie is called Magic. Okay, Bingo, let's do this. Try to magic my ears. It's not work. You've got to be more dramatic, like,
Sino susuot nito?
Okay, try again. It worked. You know magic.
Ito aso.
Now if someone doesn't want to play with you, just make them. They from. Is there anything else I need to know? Well, there was something else Mum said.
hold your arms, babe?
It's not working. I told you, more dramatic. Like this.
You know, I think you need to back it pretty strong. Back it pretty strong.
That's true.
Oh no! Fingers like magic! Oh.
There you go. What should we do with them?
This is not fair! Kids, stop making us dance!
Time for the big finish.
Oh no! Better stick the landing pad! It's not up to bird! We did it! We did it! Christmas crackers!
O, panglimang kahon.
What's going on here? Who taught you how to use magic?
Sapatos na pang kids.
I should have known. And did you teach her the most important rule about magic?
Panglimang kahon yan. Ayan.
The rule is never use magic for cheekiness.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Oh, Bandit, get your armpit out of my face!
Like cleaning the house and making the dinners. We'll bring the pizza boy.
You can't just bring my pizza boy.
Ang daming pambata. Ito,
Yes.
mga pambata.
Oh, listen to her. The pizza boy is not the solution.
Bingo, I need your help. Turn your magic to mine.
People should play with you because they want to, not because you make them. Otherwise, it's not playing.
1.
Is all that crazy stuff still happening?
Lagay mo to doon, oh. Bilangin mo muna to. Daddy, bilangin mo muna to, dali, oh.
See, Bingo?
Lagay mo doon. Bilangin mo muna to. 1. Kunin mo, dali.
Now, Bingo.
May pang-babing, ano. Lan.
You can't just tell me what to do.
It's the magic! 10.
14. Ito pa. Sama mo na to. Tsaka yan, tingnan mo nga kung ano yan. Short.
Bata yung pambata.
Ito.
15.
15.
15 na lalaki.
15 na malalaki. 15 na pantalon, malalaki. Pantalon.
Actually, I'm pretty comfortable right here.
Yeah, but you're still going.
You gonna make
15. Ano pa?
Okay. I'm showing you magic.
You ready to pass the puzzle?
Asa yung ay, isama mo yung pambabae.
Wala man naka-poise-poise yung sinampay mo sa labas.
Oo. Matuyo agad yan mamaya.
Wala kang poise.
Beng, tingnan mo, Beng.
Mukha.
Beng, tingnan mo.
Ang ganda ng gown.